Hey everyone, Ushma this side and welcome back to the channel. Today's news is exciting specifically for all our marketer viewers. Two tech giant Adobe and Microsoft have joined forces to bring a wave of new AI-powered tools specifically designed to streamline your workflow and boost your creativity. Let's dive into what this partnership is all about. Adobe and Microsoft have teamed up, making a significant announcement at the Adobe Summit, which is known as the largest conference focusing on digital experience worldwide. They have unveiled their plan to integrate Adobe Experience Cloud's workflow and insights with Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365. This collaboration aims to tackle a common issue faced by marketers, such as the need to work across various applications and the struggle with the disjointed data, making it challenging to manage daily marketing workflows efficiently. These newly integrated features promise to bring marketing insights and workflow capabilities from Adobe Experience Cloud and Microsoft Dynamics 365 directly into Microsoft Copilot, aiding marketers in their work within tools like Outlook, Microsoft Teams, and Word. This integration is designed to help with a variety of tasks, including drafting creative briefs, creating content, managing content approvals, delivering experience, and more. Before moving ahead to this update, AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, million of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. And if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour AI tool workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Now, Amit Ahuja's Adobe's Senior Vice President of Digital Experience Business highlighted the growing demand for personalized content across different channels such as social media and mobile. This demand pressures marketers to find ways to work more efficiently and productively. The partnership between Adobe and Microsoft is set to offer a unique solution for marketing teams, simplifying daily operations across various stages such as planning, collaboration, content creation, and campaign execution. Jairus Spataro, Microsoft Corporate Vice President at AI at Work, echoed the sentiment, emphasizing the shared vision of both companies to empower marketers to concentrate on their most critical work, creating impactful campaigns and enhancing customer experience. The integration of marketing insights from Adobe Experience Cloud applications and Dynamic 365 within the workflow of Copilot for Microsoft 365 is expected to streamline marketing efforts, break down barriers, and deliver superior results. The field of marketing is intricate, comprising specialized roles that necessitate specific tools for tasks ranging from designing brand content and managing campaigns to track audience insight across channels and reporting outcomes. This complexity often results in marketers working in isolation within different applications, leading to misalignment and a negative impact on productivity and speed. A survey conducted by Microsoft revealed that 43% of marketing and communication professionals found the need to switch between digital applications disruptive to their creativity. In response to these challenges, the collaboration between Adobe and Microsoft will introduce initial capabilities focusing on the needs of marketers who frequently collaborate with the multiple internal and external teams while managing campaign objective status and actions. These capabilities are set to include strategic insights within the flow of work, enriched with campaign insights from Adobe Experience Cloud applications such as Adobe Customer Journey Analytics and Adobe Workfront combined with Dynamic 365. This integration with the Copilot for Microsoft 365 will enable marketers to quickly access insights and update in Outlook Teams and Word, helping them to stay informed about the status of marketing projects, campaign effectiveness, pending approvals, and necessary actions, or to understand the audience and KPIs being targeted in the latest campaign briefs. Moreover, marketers will have the ability to create campaign briefs, presentation, website updates, and email with the relevant context more efficiently by leveraging marketing insights from Adobe and Dynamic 365 within Copilot for Microsoft 365. Marketers can be more data-driven without the need to consult multiple tools or individual for insights. They can also utilize Adobe Firefly Generative AI for image or copy for marketing experiences. through Adobe Experience Manager sites, allowing the content creation in the Word that gets directly published to channels like web and mobile to keep projects moving smoothly. The integrated capabilities will offer a context notification and summaries, keeping marketers informed about the project status, feedback, approval, changes to work items, or due dates without the need to navigate through the multiple applications, emails, and chat. This approach informed the Adobe Workfront aims to streamline communication and action taking, ensuring that marketers remain on top of any changes that can take any necessary actions promptly. So, this is all for today's video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Thank you for tuning with us, and this was Ushma signing off. Until next time.